Hello students, welcome to Grammar Enhancer. Today we are going to discuss or learn about the conjunctions. So let's get started. First thing that we need to know is that what the conjunction is. In English grammar, a conjunction is a connector. It is a word that acts like a glue to join words like apple and bananas, phrases over the river and through a woods, clauses I ran fast but I still missed the bus. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. First one is coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is a word that joins items is equal grammatical rank. The easiest way to remember them is the fanboys. Here, F refers to for, A refers to and, N refers to nor, B refers to but, O refers to or, Y refers to yet, and yes refers to so. Here is an example. I ran fast, but I missed the bus. Here is the second one, subordinating conjunction. It introduces a dependent clause, connect it to a independent clause, so relationship like case, time, condition. Common examples: because, although, while, since, after, if, when, unless. Here is an example. I went inside because it started raining. First one is I went inside, it is an independent clause, and second one is because it started raining, it is a dependent clause. So because is a connector here, it is called subordinating conjunction. Dependent clause cannot stand alone in a sentence. Let's move on to third one. Correlative conjunction. It always comes in pair, join grammatical equal elements. Common pairs are either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or. Here is an example. Not only did he finish the race, but also he won a medal. Now, compound conjunction. It is also the same as subordinating conjunction. They introduce a dependent clause and link it to a independent clause, showing a specific relationship like time, condition, purpose. It also called compound subordinating conjunction. Here are the examples. As soon as, I will leave as soon as the clock strikes 5. Provided that you can join, provided that you agree to the rules, in order that we worked late, in order that we could finish the project, as if, as though. She spoke as if she knew the whole story. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and see you in next video.